Harvesting potatoes in a grow box. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, today we're gonna be harvesting potatoes from this raised bed. I'm harvesting it a little bit earlier because some snails and some insects ate the stems of the potatoes. So I think they're not gonna do much better because the stems are already weak, and so I'm just gonna harvest and see what we get from this right now, and then just get everything out, and then use this to plant something else. I wish it could stay and grow the whole period of time that 90 days or so that was required for the potatoes, but due to the infestation of snails and insects that ate the stems of most of the potatoes, we're not going to be able to get that much. I think we're not going to be able to get as much as if we let it continue growing and it was fine without any insects or anything eating the stems. So let's take a look and let's harvest it and see what we can get from our giant potato box. Okay, let's see what we have here. As I said earlier, most of the stems, as you can see, insects and snails ate the stems, so it's not really doing very well. So I'm just gonna take it out and hopefully we get some stuff from here, but I'll do it again next year and make sure that the snails and everything else, I put a snail trap a lot earlier. So I had this snail trap over here, but by the time I did this, it was I think a little bit late because some of the stems were already gone. So this one we have a couple of them over here. Let me get my box. So let's see, this one looks like the one that has the stem still intact, but some of the leaves are all gone. So oh, that's big. It's russet. I think that is it. This is for the one that was over here. There was another plant over here somewhere. This one is a regular. So I need So as you can see, it did not do too well. These are maybe the 2 main plants that were not really affected that much, but all the others were affected, so they did not produce that much. They did not produce that much potatoes because of they were eaten as soon as they were planted and they started growing. They were eaten up. So that is it. So this is the container now. Everything is pulled out. The only thing I have left is the pumpkin that I planted, that is still there, and the tomatoes that I planted on this side. The insects didn't eat the pumpkin or the tomatoes, so they're still doing well. I might be able to plant a few things over here, but what I'll do first is put like 3 of these DIY snail catchers in here and let it go for a couple of days before I plant anything in here, so that way it will eliminate all the remaining snails that are in here. Then I'll just be able to get rid of all the snails, then plant crops over here that might grow much faster, and be able to harvest a few things in here, so that it's not a total loss for this container over here. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer as many as possible. Let me know in the comments below if you planted in a big container like this, and hope you got a much better result than I've done with this one. But the quantity that we got today is not even up to the quantity we got from the 2 containers. The other video that we did last week, where we took 2-gallon containers and we were able to get quite a few things from it, but the insects and the snails got the better part of this container. So next year is another year. We'll do much better next year.